this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to put a video from TikTok in slow motion using your Snapchat app. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to save any videos from TikTok that you want. And then after you save that, just go ahead and go to your Snapchat. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on this. It's like a album icon on the left part of your capture button. Okay? And then after that, just go to your camera roll and choose the video that you saved. So in here, just want to click the pencil icon in the bottom left part of your screen, so you can edit. So here you just need to swipe your screen from right to left until you see the snail button. So there. I'm sorry. So let's just play it from the top. Sa baa sa iro ay. Sa baa sa iro ay. Oof. Uy, tahimik na be. So now as you can see, the video is now on slow motion. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.